Good morning. What are you doing? Are we gonna go for a walk? Walk? Walk. Where should we go for our walk? Outside? And then we'll come home? Are you gonna take your milk? Alright. Are you gonna take your milk on our walk? Do you want some Cheerios? Yeah. Can you say please?
Please.
And thank you? Can you say I love you? I love you. Can you, what? Cheerios? Okay, Mom will get you some Cheerios. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Look, kisses. Look, kisses. Good job. Happy feet? No? No happy feet? No? Your hair is messy. Can you say hair? Cheerios. Okay. More? Did you say more? Oh, are you showing me where they are?